Le chutier.
What's going on, people? So we're here with these friends and family Vapormax Cactus L.E.D custom. It's a very long name. Very long name. So what did I do? Okay, let's break it down. You guys know the black Vapormax Cactus shoes, right? Then you also know the black Vapormax Cactus shoes with the lights in it, the Friends and Family edition, the light strips on the Vapormax part, right? Cool, straight. So I was thinking, take that shoe, flip that, invert the colors, or really just make it go from black to white. We got the white upper, but this time with a red toe box and a green heel. Flip that, you know? So what I did was I took the little light strips, I added that to the toe box here on the Vapormax part to match the color of the actual Vapormax part that it is. Yeah, that just sounds weird. It's just English, you know what I mean? I haven't been in school in so long. That was like a run-on sentence and it didn't make any sense. Didn't make any sense. Anyways, so added the lights to the bottom of the shoes. Cut out the words to just do it with the cactus smiley face. Put it on the back part. Wrapped it around. Created a new mold for the swoosh, the squiggly swoosh. So I made red squiggly swooshes. I can make those different colors. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Comment down below. Follow me on IG, L.E.D_shoe-chains. Like, share, and subscribe. You know what I mean? Because it really helps out with the channel when you guys do that, because it really helps kind of boost the viewpoints of it and all that on Instagram. So if you like the video, make sure to comment, subscribe, you know, and then, you know, just like a bunch of stuff, and, you know, follow and all that. Follow my IG as well. So like, my IG.